Good morning, Lester Middle School 7th grade Wildcats. Let's get down to what we're doing this week. All right, so as always, we start with Schoolology or Schoolology, and we log in using your Student Dodea account, and you find the class that you have me with. And then this is teacher view. Let me be a student today. I'm just gonna go all the way to the bottom. All right, I'm gonna be Lana. All right, so here we go. This is how you would see it. So treat this like a checklist, this first and then this second. So we go here first for our assignments and the instructional video that I'm obviously making now or that you are watching. So here we go, the calendar, the 11th through the 15th, A3, 4, or B2, ELA 7th, the green apple. All right, so just a little bit of an inspirational quote. Read, create, learn, repeat. I hope that you're also using this time that you have during quarantine to read your own things, study your own things, and create something and learn not just what your teachers are educating you with, but something on your own as well. All right, I know I've been learning about, what have I been studying? I've been learning about code. Yes, code, CSS. All right, and so okay, here we have the instructional video. Making it now. I'll of course have the link in there once it's up. All right, so study vocab words on Quizlet. A vocab quiz is coming soon. Hint, hint, hint. And then this week we have a poem called A Poem for My Librarian, Miss Long. And it's in collections page 321 through 324. And then there's the multiple choice reading comprehension to prove that you understand what you've read. And then the concept that we're extracting from this reading is author's style. And then no homework. Extra credits, the free rice. If you haven't already done so, turn it in the turn-in bin in Schoolology. There's a video that teaches you how to turn something in Schoolology if you haven't done it already. For enrichment, Nitro Type, practice your typing skills. All of you are going to be amazing at typing and computer skills when we get back from quarantine because you're using it so much. And then, of course, anything you want to listen to, there's free, amazing, high-quality Audible books. All right, miss you guys. Okay, so now that we know what we're doing, let's go to where we're going to do it. Teleschool. All right, and then we have May 11th through 15th, this week's work. Quizlet, the vocabulary words, this is what your quiz will be from. Your textbook's right here, and we were reading the poem on collections page 321 through 324. Let's go there. Again, if you want to just print this off, probably be easier, and you could then highlight, underline, etc., etc. 324. Too far. No, not far enough. Did I get that right? Did I write that down? Oh, 321. Yeah. Three 321. Here we go. All right, so a poem for my librarian. And it's free verse, has a very interesting style, and of course that's the concept that we're extrapolating from here. Style, it's how the author uses these elements. All right, and then we have the concepts, author's style, the practice, and the quiz. And then if you need me, I'll be in there as soon as this video uploads. I will jump in. All right, for any questions or if you just want to say hi. So thank you guys very much. Have a great, fantastic week. Hope to see you in the Google Meets if you need me. Bye.